Good morning, Rax. Today is Thursday, May 7th, which kind of fittingly is National Children's Mental Health Awareness Day. And for many of you out there, take a little mental self-check today, or somebody near you. It's not easy for anybody right now, and if they are, something's kind of weird about it. Try to find the good in things. We'll talk a little bit about that as we get into our Counselors Connect series. Find the positive stories in the news, and maybe not even the news, but the positive things that you're having going on. Life's not normal. We want to go back to normal, but I'm kind of enjoying not getting up at 6:30 in the morning. Maybe you're in the same light, and you could take some positive because we'll never get that opportunity again for quite some time. Still send some pictures and messages about teachers to Manchester. And like we said, the school won't be touched, so don't worry about that. Only birthday I have for you is Alex Smith. He hurt his leg a few years ago. It was a good documentary on him the other day. And other than that, birthdays are hard to come by on May 7th. So take that for what it's worth. Keep churning it out. We're almost 4 weeks into this fourth quarter. It's crazy to think. But have a great day, Rex.